Replacing the toner cartridge in HP LaserJet M207 through M212, M207E through 212E printer series. Replace any low or empty toner cartridges with genuine HP cartridges when alerted by a message on the printer control panel or by the printer software. To access and replace the toner cartridge, open the cartridge access door. Use the handle to remove the old toner cartridge from the printer. Set the cartridge aside on a piece of paper for recycling. For more information about recycling your used HP cartridges, visit hp.com/recycle. Caution: hold the replacement cartridge at each end to prevent damage. Do not touch the protective cover or the roller. Remove the new toner cartridge from its packaging. While holding the cartridge by its sides, rock it back and forth to evenly distribute the toner. Remove the protective cover from the roller. Caution: to prevent print quality issues, avoid touching the roller on the bottom of the cartridge. Use the handle to install the cartridge into the printer. Close the cartridge access door. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.